What is up, everyone? Today I am in my classroom and I have a little bit of a special announcement for you. So all week, well, actually not even all week, at the end of the year, our grade level has an end of the year assembly. So students are able to create something together and they just share it with all the third grade, just as an end of the year kind of celebration. Every year my classroom, with a little bit of encouragement by me, do a community sort of classroom music video. And within the video, we try to share some of the things that we've learned. We express our love for just like knowledge and being in the classroom in our school. And this year, I decided not to do it. For a second. And then I just said to my kids, I said, you know what? This is what we did last year. And I showed them a few of the videos. I put the video links above if you want to check them out. And then they said, that is what they want to do. Now here's the catch. This video is due next Friday. Yeah. So usually the process is this. We do a vote on some of the songs that we love, and usually what happens is whatever songs are buzzing right now or songs that have been on the radio or have won awards, those are the songs that usually pop up the most. After we go through the list of songs, we do a vote. Then we bring it down to 2 songs. Everyone votes on those 2 songs, and then within those 2 songs, we create lyrics to go with the song. How do we do that? So what we do is we first brainstorm lyrics for each line. And once we have a number of lyrics out, basically what you're looking at right now, I go home, I try to dissect everything that the students have given me, and then I try to make it work. Is it difficult? It's not that bad. You would think it would be awful just because there's so many ideas and songs have to not necessarily rhyme, but they want to flow with the music. And you'd be surprised at how awesome these kids would do when it comes to rhyming, when it comes to being on rhythm. So I took the ideas from the kids, I mixed them up, I tried to make them blend together. Now we have a song. I was absolutely stunned by the kids on Friday and how they were able to actually sing the song and their lyrics to the beat on the second try. This is one of the fastest groups of kids to know a song so fast. And I think it might have been a little bit of the pressure that I gave them. I said, you know what? We need to get to the studio maybe by Tuesday so we can create the video, etc. And they really stepped up to the plate. Now, the song that they are doing, if you haven't noticed from some of the images, is that they're going to be doing Happier. Not by Pharrell, but the one by Marshmello. Super excited, super popular song, and the lyrics are fun and great. We have a few ideas of what we want to do in regards to the video and what we want to do for our presentation on Friday. Now, that is kind of it for today in regards to how we're going to create this song. This is kind of like a part 1. It'll probably go to 3 parts in regards to going to the studio, getting the recording done, and then doing the video. Actually, maybe 3 parts. And then you will have and we're just super excited. So get ready for the grand premiere coming out next week, probably on Friday. And yeah, see you in the Gray area. I'm out. Peace.